Today we're diving into the world of cutting-edge firearms to explore the top 5 Bullpup shotguns of 2024. Bullpup designs have been revolutionizing shotgun handling and performance, offering compact frames without sacrificing barrel length. We'll go through the best of the best, discussing features, usability, and of course the price of each model. Whether you're a tactical enthusiast or a home defense strategist, these shotguns might just be what you're looking for. Let's jump right in. First up at number 5, we have the Panzer Arms BP-12, currently priced at around $600. This bullpup shotgun is not only affordable but also packs a punch with its ergonomic design and superior functionality. The BP-12 offers a unique aesthetic with its futuristic look and feels that sets it apart from more traditional models. It's chambered for 12-gauge shells and comes with a 20-inch barrel, providing excellent accuracy for a bullpup of its size. The BP-12 is known for its reliability and smooth action, featuring a semi-automatic mechanism that allows for quick follow-up shots. Its compact design makes it an excellent choice for use in tight quarters or in a home defense scenario, where maneuverability is key. Additionally, the BP-12 comes with a detachable magazine, making reloads quick and efficient, a significant advantage in high-pressure situations. The comfortable cheek weld and intuitive controls facilitate ease of use under stress, making it not just a practical option for tactical scenarios, but also a favorable choice for sport shooters and hobbyists. For those interested in customization, the BP-12 doesn't disappoint. It includes multiple Picatinny rails, allowing users to equip a variety of accessories such as optics, lights, or lasers. This level of adaptability makes the BP-12 a versatile tool for both recreational shooters and tactical professionals, providing great value for its price point. Next, at number 4, is the standard manufacturing DP-12, with a price tag of about $1,400. This shotgun is a double-barrel bullpup that delivers twice the firepower with each pull of the trigger, making it a standout in the double-barrel market. The DP-12's innovative design allows you to fire 2 shots almost simultaneously, followed by a quick reload, which is ideal for situations requiring a high rate of fire. The DP-12 also excels in providing an unparalleled level of firepower in a package that's robust and manageable. This makes it especially suitable for home defense, where the ability to quickly fire multiple rounds can be a critical factor. The shotgun's design facilitates a swift transition between magazines, allowing for varied ammunition types, such as buckshot and slugs, to be effectively utilized according to situational needs. The DP-12 is engineered for durability and handling. It features a robust construction with twin 18.75-inch barrels, maximizing its ballistic capability while maintaining a manageable overall length. This shotgun is particularly favored by those looking for a high-capacity, rapid-response firearm for home defense or close-quarters tactical operations. In terms of ergonomics and usability, the DP-12 is equipped with recoil-reducing features and a design that distributes weight evenly, minimizing fatigue during extended use. It also comes with integrated rails for attachments, and its controls are designed to be ambidextrous, which is a big plus for both left and right-handed shooters, making it a top choice for a premium bullpup shotgun. Coming in at number 3 is the Rock Island Armory VRBP-100, priced around $650. This 12-gauge bullpup shotgun is a fantastic option for those who need a compact yet powerful firearm. Its innovative design includes a 20-inch barrel housed within a 32-inch overall length, which makes it incredibly efficient for its size. Flexibility is another key feature of the VRBP-100, as it supports both 2, 3, 4, and 3-inch shells, offering versatility for users to choose their preferred load for different situations. This adaptability makes it suitable not only for home defense, but also for recreational shooting and hunting, where different ammunition types can optimize performance and effectiveness. The VRBP-100 features a semi-automatic action that provides reliable performance under various conditions, complemented by its sleek, modern design that enhances its visual appeal. It's equipped with a detachable magazine, facilitating easy and quick reloads, which is essential in both tactical and sport shooting scenarios. Another significant advantage of the VRBP 100 is its customizable features, including adjustable sights and interchangeable chokes, allowing shooters to tailor the shotgun to their specific needs. The ergonomic design and the lightweight nature of this shotgun make it comfortable to handle, whether you're at the range or in the field, making it a solid choice for its price range. At number 2, we have the Kel-Tec KSG, priced at approximately $900. This highly popular bullpup shotgun is renowned for its high capacity and dual magazine system, which allows the shooter to carry up to 14 rounds of 12-gauge ammunition. The KSG's compact design and significant firepower make it an excellent choice for tactical applications and home defense. The KSG's compact size belies its substantial capacity, making it a top choice for those who need maximum firepower in a minimal footprint. Its dual-tube magazines can be loaded with different types of ammunition, allowing for tactical flexibility. Shooters can switch between less lethal and lethal rounds depending on the scenario, providing a significant tactical advantage. The KSG stands out with its unique pump-action design, allowing users to switch between magazines, ideal for employing different types of ammunition depending on the situation. Its robust build and reliability in various conditions have made it a favorite among law enforcement and civilian users alike. Despite its compact size, the KSG offers excellent balance and maneuverability, making it easy to handle in tight spaces. The bullpup configuration allows for a shorter overall length without compromising barrel length, ensuring both accuracy and effective range. This shotgun also features an integrated Picatinny rail for optics and other accessories, enhancing its functionality. For those who value a tactical edge in a compact package, the KSG provides an impressive solution at a reasonable price point. And now, topping our list at number 1, we have the IWI Tavor TS12, which comes in at around $1,400. This innovative bullpup shotgun is a marvel of modern firearms engineering, offering a rotating magazine system that can hold up to 15 rounds of 12-gauge ammo. The TS12's futuristic design isn't just for looks. It's built to offer seamless functionality and rapid response, making it an exceptional choice for both home defense and tactical situations. IWI Tavor TS12 is not just a leader in terms of capacity and functionality. Its ease of use is equally impressive. The shotgun features a gas-regulated system that reduces felt recoil, facilitating quicker follow-up shots and greater overall control. This is particularly beneficial for shooters of all levels, as it enhances comfort and accuracy during extended use. The Tavor TS12 is gas-operated, enhancing its reliability and reducing recoil, which allows for quicker follow-up shots and a smoother shooting experience. This shotgun's ambidextrous design caters to both left and right-handed shooters, with controls that can be easily switched according to the user's preference. Its compact nature combined with the hefty ammunition capacity sets it apart in the bullpup category. Additionally, the TS12's modularity is a standout feature. It is equipped with multiple Picatinny rails and M-lock slots, providing ample space for all kinds of tactical accessories. Whether it's sights, lights, or foregrips, the TS12 can be customized to fit any operational needs. With its advanced features and solid build, the IWI Tavor TS12 is not just a leader in the bullpup shotgun market. It's a top choice for anyone looking to invest in a high-quality, versatile shotgun.